We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the SP500 index, fighting to hold support here back above 600 and retesting a key resistance in the live action. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot at 9:45 a.m. it sent out a bear indicator and it did not get canceled until 2:45 p.m. in that reversal and volatility that we saw during FOMC, but that bear indicator came in early after the bell, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 150% plus within minutes to hours, guys. And if you guys want to go ahead and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, joining the community of members using these resources, and you can now gain the edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and these charts. Check out the link down below, top pinned comment in the description, or also in the comment section as well. We look forward to having you join us. So when we look at the SPY here, that bear indicator that popped up and was sent directly over to our Discord was actually in alignment with these outflows, right? We had huge outflows here dominating at these levels after these inflows from yesterday. You had outflows in the pre-market on the 15-minute and even on the 5-minute popping up and dominating and coming back down to retest the strong level of support here of bullish flow, right? This was the flow that dominated yesterday and allowed things to continue upwards and not coming back down. And then we had these outflows and then now coming back down and testing it twice and bouncing off of it. Now going into the close, it seems like it wants to retest or come back near it, and that's something to not ignore. This is a huge level of support that if it gets broken through, should not be overlooked. And you could see it here even in the tighter range of the 3-minute, those inflows picking up and then slowing down near this area of outflows from earlier in the morning, followed by that bear indicator, that weakness in these charts for most of the day, double bottoming here, and then going ahead and coming back up to retest it and having trouble to stay up. So you could see with the inflow versus outflow 2.0, the strong areas of resistance and support, and have a clear picture within the volatility here of where things are slowing down or why they're picking up with strength, backed by data, right? And here it is. So when we zoom out and look at it from the 30-minute, you could see these two areas are crucial, right? You have these inflows that picked up back here at around the 596 level back on Monday, but it is still below and slowing down also back here where things picked up to go ahead to an all-time high here. It is still below those levels and also still below up here, the 610 area where outflows dominated. This is a red one. Outflows are dominating here. And when it's green, inflows are dominating. You could see it there in the bars too. You could see the difference. And this one's pretty big, right? 2.6 million inflows versus 600,000 outflows. So it still has room to try, but we want to get back above that key level of 605, head towards it and break through it because it can retest it, and if those outflows still have weight over the chart, bring it right back down. And we want to watch our bull and bear indicators in the process. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the rips from the dips to the rips, and where the strength and weakness lies within these charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, back under a bear indicator here for the first time since the bull indicator from 595.84. We saw those inflow versus outflows, how crucial they were. These levels down here near 596 and then also here at 600 are crucial. And then to the upside, it's 605 and 610, right? Those are some key areas of resistance and support, which you could see live within the charts. Now, this bear indicator now cancels out that bull indicator, and we need a bull indicator to pop up to justify any move to the upside. This needs to get canceled on the 30-minute. If we zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, we could also see here a bear indicator popping up and confirming at 602 level. And if you want to just round it up to 603, you can. That level, once we break through it, we need inflows to follow, retest the next level of 605, and a bull indicator pop up quickly to cancel this out. If not, this could continue to dominate over the chart and push it back down to test key support levels towards 600 and even below that, right? Which we're going to break down those key levels in just a moment. Now on the 4 hour, a bull indicator did pop up and confirm in today's volatility in the pre-market for the first time on the way back up after pushing through 605.50. And we want to see a reversal here to justify this bull indicator. If not, it could quickly get broken through supports and then a bear indicator canceling it out very fast, especially if the lower time frames, these bear indicators dominate and continue to hold, and it rolls over into the larger ones. So that is something to be aware of. Now, what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is 599 to the 600 level. Then comes 598 and 96. To the upside, I want to see 603 get broken through and then 605 before looking at anything higher. So those are the key levels to the upside, and to the downside, I'll be watching. The inflow versus outflow levels are going to be crucial, and the bull and bear indicators, I'll be watching them here as bear indicators have popped up on larger time frames. But if we zoom in to the volatility, a bull indicator is here on the 15-minute, and I'll be watching if it can roll that strength over into the after hours and going into tomorrow's pre-market. So I'll be watching that closely as well. If you guys want to get connected to 42 Vision Indicators, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description and the top pinned comment as well. We look forward to having you join us so you can get equipped with the clarity and edge that you deserve within the charts and volatility. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.